Oh my god, I had to quickly get out of the shower here. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's right there. Oh my god. Oh, I had to rush out here. We're gonna get fucking slaughtered here. I'm heading outside now. No lightning detected yet, but I'm sure there will be. Holy shit. Oh, here we go. It's right down there. See the darker spot? It's right there. Oh my god. I can't catch a break. I had to rip it out of the shower. Check. Quick run in. Check. Oh my god. Shelf cloud. There's a fucking shelf cloud. I'm telling you this right now. If we're gonna get a thunderstorm, this is probably our best opportunity at a thunderstorm. I think we'll get the rest of the fucking year. Oh my god. It's one thing when you're watching it come in, but it's another thing at night. We're on the hook end part. There's like a weird, like hookish part we're on with light precipitation on it. The real shit. It's right there. There it is. Here comes the wind. Oh Lord, look at the state of this. Oh my God. Look at the state of this shelf cloud. Look at it. Why do I smell barbecue at fucking 11 o'clock at night? Oh my God. Now looking at base velocity, this thing might have some solid winds coming out of it. Although those were pretty high up, so the readings were pretty high up, obviously. So, may not be windy, but so far no lightning. Looks like that will be the case, because unless we get it right over us. Uh-oh. Jesus. Big drops now. We're not anywhere near this fucking thing yet. It's right here. Oh, well, not close enough to be getting anything significant yet. Wind-wise, pretty sad. Uh-oh. This is not it yet. This is gonna have hail, isn't it? Oh, there we go. We're getting well flow winds now. Oh, wow. Here we go again. Fuck's sake. 2 rounds of this. Whoa. This is gonna have hail. You wanna place $50 on it? Switching camera. Oh my God. Oh my. Jesus Christ. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy. Oh my God. Oh, jeez. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God. Holy shit! Oh, fuck. Oh my god. Whoa. Woo. This shit coming down in sheets. This shit is coming down. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy shit. Still not out of it. Oh my. I am, oh my god. I'm in disbelief. No hail, because it's just pouring out, as you can sort of tell there. Now, yeah, you can tell now. Oh my god. This is fall. First day of fall. Unreal. First day of fall. And it feels like summer again. Just cold. Unbelievable. Sadly, no lightning, but you know what? The fuck? 2 windstorms, 1 dry wind event century, and this. It makes up for it in a fucking jiffy. Well, we know our gutters are doing good. We've passed the wind aspect of it. Now we're just sitting in the rain. Oh my god. You want to end a dry streak? This is how you end it. Oh. You talk about fall storms. This is one way to bring fall into life. Holy shit. And this is why I have a special spot for fall. I am in disbelief. We were just south of the strongest part. That's, you know, we're in the main strongest part, yes, but in the lighter end of it. We're on the bottom end, the northern aspect of it. Don't know if that was lightning. I don't give a shit though. I think it was just my eyes. It's not bright. I don't give a shit. Oh my god. I was expecting no more than that thing just to come in like it was, a light shower. That's why I didn't show you guys it. But initially it was just a band of light showers in clearly a matter of an hour. That thing exploded. It's like a 1-2 punch there. More like a one punch. You can see the reflection of the water, the film of water. Okay, the rain has lightened up some. I'm just gonna quickly check my rain gauge is good, then I'll be. Let's just reset. Just checking to make sure this rain gauge is all. Yeah, I think it's good. As long as it's straight to an extent, we're good. Oh my god. 1-2 punch. Welcome to Kelowna. It's so dry. Even the driest bits are puddling. So much puddling. Look at that. It's because it's been so dry, but look at that. It's been so dry. Everything's puddling so quick. I don't know why I didn't just go through here first. Oh my god. I am surprised I was not like a ridiculous thunderstorm, but you know what? Was they playing with like minimal instability? I'm not surprised, although it doesn't really matter. You have the lightest bit of instability and everything's so efficient, so great that it does the job over the fucking instability. Jesus Christ, I didn't see that. So, Father wanted to we're draining the pool, and well, go figure, we get a shit ton of rain to keep it filled. Too bad this is not a daytime thing. This would have been much better at day. At night, now I'm like falling behind like so far. My god. Well then, at the end of the day, might have not been a thunderstorm, but hell, we got two wind events. This way, I'm gonna lower the lighting here. We gotta go full decrease here. Unreal. In a matter of 1 hour, I'll get the timestamp up on here as well. Let's see, bottom corner of your screen. Sorry, I'm gonna miss a bit of it here. So here it is. Look at this organization. Now look how it's fizzling away. Oh my god. Funny it didn't produce much lightning, but I am honestly not surprised. I'm pretty sure it was pretty damn low ass topped, but it was so well organized. That's what shear can do. You can have little cape to work with, but a shit ton of shear, and you get this. You get relatively short-lived, essentially, squall line. It's essentially what this is. It's a fucking squall line, essentially. Oh my god. I am in disbelief and shock even today did anything. First day of fall, making up for summer in a heartbeat. My god. Alright, well now we're just gonna switch to Environment Canada radar here. Do you even see how this one looks? Look how much more garbage. They get updates at different timings, so this is actually a little bit later. So this is actually a little bit later on than the last screen I just showed. Look at that. Unreal. And just when it passed there, look at that. Look at the organization on this thing. Look how it went from this blob to a fucking... Look at that. Look at how that did. We actually managed to get into probably the strongest part of it. I'm actually surprised. You can tell initially, it was looking like it was going east initially, but then it shifted kind of northeast. And we got absolutely slobber-knockered by wind and rain. Lightning was right when it initiated the strongest convection. But then it kind of like uniformed into that. Which probably did something. But yeah, it was probably terrain induced too, so that's probably why it was decent lightning. That couple lightning strikes. But yeah, what a fucking night. We got tomorrow to come, and then afterwards it's kind of just going to be wind and rain. But this is September 23rd, 2020. Honestly, one of the most ridiculous fucking one of the most ridiculous nights of 2020 ever. Unreal. Leave you guys with this. I'll see you guys in the morning. So I thought I'd just provide another quick update before I see you guys in the morning here. But we got power outage update here. All of them due to the wind event. Doesn't say it, but that's the case. So obviously you can see they all happened in unison here. 11:34, 11:34, 11:31, 11:18. Yeah. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys in the morning. Alright, here's the forecast plus fire update here. So tomorrow, well today, still risk of risk of a thunderstorm this afternoon, as well as tomorrow afternoon, as you can see there. Now Saturday night, Sunday doesn't have any
significant rain possible. There's a 60 to 70% chance of showers. And then we just start drying up there, as you can see. Risk of thunderstorms begins at 1, ends at 5. Same goes for tomorrow. So yeah. Fire update here. I assume that's going to have a lot of things improved. Never mind. Alright, so coastal we got a few under control fires and 1 out of control. Caribou we got a couple new unknown controlled fires. Kamloops we got several under control fires, a couple being held and a few out of control. I think I did say several for the under control, right? Yeah. Southeast we got a couple under control fires, several being held, that one included, and then a few out of control. Yeah. And then fire of note here, see if there's been any updates on that. Nope. Alright, so we'll be ending it off here with how many active fires are we at? 26. We're up 2, I think. Yeah. There you guys go. I will see you guys in just a little bit. Check outside and all that shit. Alright, daylight. Shit ton of leaves all over the place, that's for one thing. Surprisingly not too much else than that. Rainfall. Gotta check this before I go here. Woo! Wow, just yesterday alone. Impressive. One day alone, we got 0.35 inches of rainfall. This totals up to about 2.5, 5, 7.5, about 8 to 9 millimeters of rainfall. That's pretty damn good. Got a bunch of garbage and shit. For one. How about down here? I'll walk through here because just walk this bit here. Okay, we got decent sized limbs down here and there, all along here actually. The rest of them are dead. So we're just gonna go loop back around here. Ooh, wow. Got another one, that's why I went back. A decent sized one here. Oh wow. A few decent sized ones there. One from the tree itself here, another one. I'm gonna pick up the pace here. I'll walk down this way actually. These trees made it through. Mind you, they're the type of tree that probably wouldn't. Talking about these ones here. This is going to be interesting walking down here, especially one part here in my route. It's probably going to have quite a bit of shit. I'll see you guys a little bit later on at some point. Well, actually, got this part right here. This. Now, now I'll see you guys a little bit later on. There's nothing else down here. Forecast here is still pretty basic here. 6% chance of showers and risk of a thunderstorm today. There's 6% chance of showers this evening. And then tomorrow, 70% chance of showers near noon with the risk of a thunderstorm in the afternoon. Still going for that there. And then 40k wind gusts in the morning, becoming light in the afternoon. But yeah, that's still starting up in about half an hour. And then ends at 5. And we got another threat tomorrow that'll start up at around 1 as well. Then end at 5. As long as it doesn't persist until the evening, then probably later. There you guys go, though. I will see you guys later this afternoon. Alrighty, so here's tomorrow's forecast. We got ourselves a here's the 4 p.m. forecast plus fire update, I should say. So, still got a 6% chance of showers this evening with the risk of a thunderstorm maybe this evening for some godforsaken reason. But tomorrow's looking a lot more interesting. We got a 30% chance of showers changed to a 70% near noon with the risk of a thunderstorm in the afternoon. Got 40k gusts out of south in the morning, becoming light in the afternoon. Questionable. But then everything else is essentially the same from there forward. Not really much else different. This is early evening apparently. And then tomorrow's threat, as you can see here, starts up at 2 and ends at 5. So this is going to be interesting. We'll see how tomorrow goes, but I have a lot more faith tomorrow can do something compared to today, as today's more like of a remnant day. And tomorrow's going to be a whole new system, so we got a whole new playing field to work with. Thought I'd bring this up here is 2 wind gusts. So Environment Canada says wind gusts, like I thought, they were gusting up to 80 kilometers an hour between 10 p.m. and midnight. 10 to 50 millimeters of rain as well. Sporadic lightning, more like nothing. Thousands of brief power outages as well. I showed you guys yesterday. So yeah, there's that there as well. And then we got fire update here. Let's see where we're at on this. We should be really lowered now, because all this fucking rain should have just like killed like half these fires by now. Like seriously. Holy shit. This looks barer compared to, wow. I would be surprised if I need to stop making fire updates if this is below 20 fires. So we got a few under control fires in the coastal and 1 out of control. Kamloops, we got a few under control fires, several under control and a couple being held. Southeast, we got several being held, a few out of control and a couple under control. And then we go to the fire of notes here. Fire of note here, Talbot Creek has had an update, 9:41. It's being held now, so we're actually at a couple out of control fires. Received 18 millimeters of rain. Jesus Christ. My God almighty. Sounds strong westerly overnight, moderate, occasional gusty westerly tomorrow. Nice little forecast there too. But wow. So there's that. And then, so essentially, looking at this, for the southeast, we're not yet several being held and a couple out of control. Well, that's already what it was, but solidifies it now. We are now at 22 active fires. We still gotta continue making fire updates. RIP. There you guys go. I will see you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna go check out some damage. See guys, if your fire leads me into their yard. Just gonna take a quick check at this before we go to the park here. Oh wow. We're higher now, up to the 0.4 range, I'd say. It's not bad. I came too late. They have come here and cleaned the park up. Fuck's sake. So, that's shitty. Won't find as much damage now because it's all cleaned up. But they cleaned absolutely everything. The only damage I'm finding is either from in here, as you can see. Right, is this. And all this. But there is a shit ton of stuff in here though. I don't know if this is. Yeah, doesn't look like it. Huh? Might be. Hard to tell. But yeah, I can't get close as a fucking dog. Dick. But shut up. But you can tell. Yeah, where are you going? I'm on track. But yeah. But yeah, that's about it. So everything else they've put away. Fucking all days. This is why I like daytime. Yeah. I bet you it'd be a lot more noticeable damage if it wasn't for fucking them cleaning it up, but I'm gonna go now. One last area. Not so much damage, just absolute shredding. My bike sucks. I'm gonna go now. Yeah. So here's the forecast. Showers. Well, here's the morning 5 plus forecast update. Showers beginning this morning, still with a risk of a thunderstorm, but late this afternoon. It's gonna be cold as fuck tomorrow night. 4 degrees with a 40% chance of showers. Question mark. Any mixture possible? Jesus. Jeez. See, showers start up at 9 a.m. with a 40-kilometer wind gusts out of south as well at 10. And then risk of a thunderstorm begins at 3 p.m. and ends at 5. Have a half day, so I get off here. So we'll be able to see what happens. But yeah, there's that. Now I know the Talbot Creek fire has definitely not been updated this morning, so I'm just gonna not bother with that. So, coastal, we got a few under control and one out of control. Kamloops, we got a few out of control, several under control, and a couple being held. And then the southeast, we got several being held, this one included. A couple out of control and one under control. No, a couple under control, sorry. And then from 22, we're at still 22. There you guys go. I'll see you guys later on today. Just a little bit of a quick radar update here, just for the sake of it here. Decent little bit of rainfall been moving through. Yeah. It's a little quick radar update just before the 4 o'clock update that I'll be making in a little bit. Here's the 4 p.m. fire update, considering the forecast is not worth a shit. Coastal, we got a few under control fires and one out of control. Kamloops, we got a few out of control and several under control, with a couple being held. Southeast, we got several being held, this one included, a couple out of control, a couple under control, and one new unknown controlled fire. Yeah. Then, we're gonna go check out the Talbot Creek fire here. Wildfire of note. So this has been updated at 9:30. A modified response fire. Tomorrow, this fire will be removed from fires of note. Yeah. Yeah. So there. And then to finish it off here, we're at 23 active fires, up 1 from this morning. There you guys go. I will see you guys later on today with probably a rainfall total update. Alright, so this is where we're at with the rainfall and the final totals. Might get stuff tomorrow, so I'm just going to be leaving this out here just for pure safety, but I think it's safe to say this will be our final totals. I just remembered I'll probably not end the video tomorrow, but we'll see. Maybe we'll end it in the afternoon instead of the morning, but all comes down to how tomorrow plays out. Might be a little small thunderstorm threat, so anyways, I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys later on tonight, if not in the morning. Alrighty, so here's the fire update here for the morning. So coastal, we got a few under control and one out of control. Kamloops, we got a few out of control, several under control, and a couple being held. Southeast, we got several being held, this one included, a couple out of control and a couple under control. Pretty basic there. Not much has changed. And then fire of note here, 9:30s. It's the final update here. Yeah. There's that. And then we're now at 23 to 22 active fires. There you guys go. I'll see you guys later on today as we have ourselves a little bit of a mini storm threat. Well, here's our radar right now. It's looking quite interesting. Especially, we got some interesting stuff going on here. Definitely thunderstorms, I would think. Yeah. Although nothing really here except, well, maybe showers coming in a bit, but nothing amazing. See you guys a little bit later on, maybe. Alright, welcome to the end of the video here with 4 o'clock fire update. So the coastal is still at a few under control fires and 1 out of control. Kamloops is still with a few out of control, several under control, and a couple being held. Southeast with several being held. This is no longer a wildfire of note. That's one change here. And this is now technically being held. Well, not technically, is being held. So this is 5 being held fires, a couple out of control, and a couple under control. And we are sitting at 22 active fires still. There you guys go. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.